Okay, so in this lecture we are going to discuss about the Python programming, exploring data using Python. So in the Python programming, program can be written in two ways, namely interactive mode and script mode. So these are the two modes. So the interactive mode allows us to write code in Python command prompt, whereas in script mode programs can be written and stored as a separate file with the extension .py and executed. So how we are saving the simple C programming .c extension, similarly C++ .cpp. So similarly here we are saving your programming in the script mode. You just save file name .py. And the script mode is used to create and edit Python source file. Okay, so this is the interactive mode programming. In interactive mode, Python code can be directly typed and the interpreter display the results immediately. The interactive mode can also be used as a simple calculator. Okay, so how to invoking Python ideal? So in this case, so the following command. So this is the command. The command can be used to invoke Python ideal from Windows operating system. So starts, I mean, in your computer system, you start the start button and then go to the all programs and then Python version. So in this case, we have a Python 3. Okay, so then go to ideal, or on the other case, click Python icon like this. So this is the Python icon on the desktop if it available. Okay, so now, so this is the Python ideal window appears as shown here. Okay, so this is the Python version 3.72. Okay, so and then this is the menu bar. So what are the menus are available? File menu, edit menu, so like this. So different menus are here. So this is the title bar. So title bar, if you are saving your programming, it will be saved as the file name. Title will be displayed here. So this is the command prompt, I mean Python prompt. So like this, so angle brackets like. So this is the, so this is the Python ideal window. So the prompt indicate that interpreter is ready to accept instructions. So this is the, once it will be displayed, it will be the ready for getting the data from the users. Therefore the prompt on screen means ideal is working in interactive mode. So if you are understand, this is the in interactive mode. Now let us uh, let us try a simple calculator by using a simple mathematical expressions. So this is the command prompt like this. Okay, so here simply type the in the command prompt, you just find some values. I mean 5 plus 10 immediately will be producing the 15. Similarly here 5 plus 50 into 10. So here 505. So in this case 50 into 10, 500 plus 10. So the hierarchy of operations will be involved here. That's why it will be getting the 50 505. After that 5 star star 2. So it will be the power of 5 power of 2. Okay, 25. So the another one example, so here simply print Python language. So this is the we are print by using of this print command. You just give the within double quotes, it will be printed on your screen, monitor screen. So after whatever the given text will be in the double quotes, will be printed here, uh, Python programming language. So after that the prompt will be entered here. You assign the values x equals 10 and then y equals 20. So immediately the value z is equals x plus y. So the print, so I want the print of value of z. That's why I'm meaningful way. So in the double quotes the sum comma z. The after executing the interpreter mode, we are getting this, the sum equals 30. So here we are asking the 10 plus 20, 30 value. Okay, So this is the actual mode of interactive. So in the screenshot, so interactive mode programming, so this is the here it will be that version. So what's the kind of versions you are used in your Python programming. So in the command prompt you just type the print and then given text. So what the text if you want to print in your uh, execution. So the Python programming language, it will be after executing this statement, it will print the Python programming language. So and then the above code, the x equals 10 and then y equals 20, z equals x plus 10. So print the value by using of the we are understanding purpose, we are using the sum equals z. What's the value z here? Add these two values, it will be assigned the sum value, sum equals 30. After that the command prompt will be entered here. So this is the command Python interactive window. Okay, the another one is scripting mode programming. So creating scripting in Python programming. So how you are going to create the scripting mode? So the basically a script is a text file containing the Python statements. So Python scripts are reusable code. Once the script is created, it can be executed again and again without retyping. That is the main advantage. The scripts are editable. So by using of a method, the creating the scripting in Python. So by choosing the file, go to the new file or press Control N in Python cell window. Okay, next. So this is the window like this. So untitled, initially it will be untitled. So this is the window. So here menus are available: file menu, edit menu, format, run. So how the text, text files are like, looks like this. So in this case a new file or Control N. Okay, to create a new file. So once it will be clicking the new file, it will be creating the new file. The another window, and untitled blank script text editor will display on the screen like this. Okay, untitled script. So similarly, next you just type the uh, following code in your script editor. In this case some values, I mean a equals assign 100, b equals assign 350, c equals a plus b. Okay, so the print the how you are interpreter mode, we are entering the some values. Similarly here also we print the sum equals c. Okay, once if you are typing this content in the editor, it will be typed like this. Okay, it's here the prompt is not available here. Okay, the code is just entered. After that you just saving your file. So how you are, so similarly how you simple programs are saved in C programming or C++ program. Similarly here also we are saving the file like this. So choose file, saved, or press Ctrl S. So simply go to the file menu and then save, Ctrl S. So it will be location will be, so where now the save as dialog box appears on the screen as shown here. So this is the where the Python will be available. Okay, so here in this case file name and then save type Python file. Okay, file name and then file type file name dot phy ph sorry py. Okay, give the save button. So the file will be the concern file, what the given name you are saving your file, in this case demo1. So it will be stored file location. Where is the file location? So the computer new volume d colon and then computer new volume d colon and then Python 37. This is the location the file will be stored there. Okay, after that you will click the save button. Okay, so this is the saving your file. Once the file will be saved, so after that how you are going to run your executing Python script. So in this case executing Python script, choose run or run mode or press F5. So these are the options. So here we have options. So in these menus available here, run. Okay, run mode F5 or shortcut keys, menu function keys, we are pressing the F5. it will be executing. Okay, so after executing your program code, you are getting the output like this. Suppose in your code has any error, it will show some error messages, or otherwise it will be producing the output like this. So here in this case we are getting the output, the sum equals 450. Okay, thank you.